What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live trading video. Another day to trade. So right now, everything that came up in the morning has faded. So it's really just a waiting game now. I was watching BLIN. Where'd it go? BLIN, but it faded. Then I was watching NLSP. It faded. So we got a lot of faders today. Just gonna wait and see what happens and try to be responsive to the market. Okay. Let's get everything set up. All right. We're ready to go. We got 8 minutes to the bell. About to get it in. About to get it in. All right. So what is the market gonna bring us today? Waiting, watching, wondering. Six. Maybe later on today. Let me make sure the down detector isn't acting up. No problems. Very low volume day. Okay. Just a few minutes until market open. Everything I was watching has faded. Let's see what the SPY is doing. Having a little droppage. All right. So today is a slower day, but I will be watching the SPY as well. It looks like it's opening up on a red day. It's down to the 34s. So I'll be trying to play a little bit of the VIXY if I can, but it doesn't look like there's a lot of volume up here. Market just opened. Everything is diving right now. Let's go and look at what I was looking at earlier. That faded. NLSP faded. BLIN faded. So a lot of faders on the day. HUDI trying to pop back up, but it's still very weak on the day. Where is this next daily resistance? Looks like the 650s up here. 650s. A little bit of resistance there. Need to make this bigger. Right there. A little bit more resistance at the 75. So it looks like every 25 cents is having a bit of resistance. And it is pushing up, pushing up. Still not in the setup that I like, but okay. We'll see if it gets pushed down. Pre-market all the way up here at the $9. That's a lot of work to do. $3 away from that. Top of this is a 660. Why the thing got pushed down a lot. 660 was the last top. Got pushed down under the 15-minute 9 EMA. Wow. A lot of pressure there. It may go red. We'll see. Bottom of this is the low of the 596. Looks like it's holding a little bit. Just gonna let this one kind of settle out. I really don't know what it wants to do. It's up and down, up and down. Up to the 50s. Looks like it wants to get into an uptrend, possibly. Yep. Wow. Big snatches down there from the top of the 70 all the way down to the 40, 30-cent snatch down. That's crazy. All right. Needs to hold up that 596, but I don't think it can. Getting real heavy here. NLSP trying to come back up, but again, just like HUDI, it's got a lot of work to do. But it is looking better than HUDI, so we'll watch this one for now. Previous low was a 336. Right through there. Sellers coming in back in on this one. What did HUDI end up doing? HUDI ended up diving. What did BLIN end up doing? Nothing much. What was that other one? Yeah, BLIN diving as well. Hmm. Nothing has become the obvious stock as of yet. So I'm gonna hold my money till something becomes obvious. Let's see the action on the SPY this morning. I know it took a little drop. On the daily chart, let's see. Definitely has some room down. See how the VIX is reacting. It's not enough volume though. Usually when the SPY drops, the VIX volume is way up. HUDI diving. Everything is taking the dip. It's perfectly all right with me. I'm safe. So pre-market was dead. The open is looking a little bit dead. So we'll just have to see. In the low floats, that is. If you're looking at something with higher floats, you may see something that's moving, but it's probably not going to move like I need it to. Because I was watching DTSS earlier as well. Let me see what that one ended up doing. Yeah. Gave a spike up and then straight down. It's a higher float though. Really, really slow. Yeah, PX, SGOC. SGOC got up there. BLIN looking like it wants to hold, but then getting pushed back down again. It's got to blast up. It's been 12 minutes since the open. Is anybody seeing anything else? You can drop it in the chat. We'll go and check it out. If you have any questions about anything, we can check out whatever, because right now, you know, nothing's really sparking the attention. SGOC took a nice plunge down. 1650 down to the 1412. A lot of shorts getting paid today. Don't be part of their payment plan. On VERB. Nice, nice. Oh boy. AHPI popping up there on the scanner. AHPI. Wait for a pullback. I like it. Let's see if it has any news on the day. It halted at some point. Yeah, AHPI is up right now. So we'll focus very low float. Let me go and do some research on this thing. AHPI. AHPI 2.99 million in the float. Mm, 3.41 million in the float at Yahoo Finance. Then AHPI. So I'm gonna say about 3 million in the float, 4 million in the float, somewhere up in there, with no shelf registration. So I would definitely put that on. Wait, is it already off the watch? Oh my goodness. It jutted down. Oh well, we'll wait. Wow. I was going and doing my little research, looking around. Look at it now. Putting on the scuba suit. Literally. Oh boy. MINM. NINM. This one's red on the day. Let's see. Secures a patent for covering cloud-driven approach to Wi-Fi management. Okay. Yeah, that's how much volume is in this thing? Doesn't look like it's moving much. Oh, 100 something. More volume, man. More volume. Gotta get it. Because the thing is, when it pops up on low volume, that means a big buyer just dropped some money in there because they believe it's going to go higher. But sometimes it just doesn't. I'd rather ride the wave than as One Life says, Bert the worm, where it just comes up and then pulls you down. Comes up for air and then pulls you in. And the SPY cutting up, going back up, heavy. Wow. WHLM, the one that was giving me all those problems yesterday, looking bad today. But it was because it had no news. All right. Is anything going to continue looking good except the SPY? The SPY is the only thing going up. Look at the VIX, where it's at right now. Oh, look at the VIX taking that dip. I like it. I wonder will the SPY continue to drop though? SPY. It's going up a lot. I'm gonna leave the VIXY alone. I don't want to waste capital. Low volume moves anyway. Anybody else seeing anything on your scanners? Because low floats are definitely below average today. The pre-market was dead. Now the open. What else is going to be dead today? Car popping up there on the scanner. Interesting. Interesting moves here. Ooh, got slammed. Oh my gosh. That's abusive. Wow, that was a big slam. This one's got a lot of range on it. Yeah, it's a little bit too high for me right now up there. I want it to come down a bit. I may try for some. Let's see what Carve, what news or anything that Carve has on the day. No shelf registrations. Yeah, I was watching BLIN and it faded off the open and I was like, I don't know about it. We'll see if it comes back to a green day, but if it can't, I'm not gonna deal with it. The float on what was I just looking up? Carve is 3.4 million. and under a million over here on FinViz. So very low float, no shelf. I'll just say 1 to 3 million in the float. All right, definitely not looking good though. Looking like it wants to go swimming. Yeah, it might do something, but I don't know. We have to watch it. It's a big top and tail on the 5 minute. Got to see where it wants to find the bottom. Hmm. Let's look at the volume on these candles. This candle was 70,000, 295,000, 376, and then a million on this candle that's currently getting traded. And these are 5 minute candles, so it's the accumulation of each minute. Hmm. Carve had a piece of resistance right here, the 2147 that it hit and got rejected off of right here. Right here, I mean. Got all the way up there to almost the halfway point here. See, 25.55 is the top there. So we will see what games it wants to play. Popping action right there, popping back and forth. Hmm. What was the pre-market highs? Okay, it's way above pre-market highs. Came down here, did a little splash up. We'll have to see. Has lost most of its volatility on the day. Looks like a little retracement here. Let's see. It started at the 1754, went up to the 22, retraced back about halfway here. About halfway. So let's see. Let's see. Can we make some money in here? On small share size here. Retrace, because it's already done with this retracement, looks like. Might let this candle close. This looks like the retracement level right here at the 1975. Would be our new support. Oh yeah, this one's gonna probably get ignorant today. So we'll just watch it and try not to get caught up in the foolishness. T-Cat popping up there on the scanner. T-Cat. Getting up there to the 840s. Got to wait for a pullback on this one as well. Let's go look at the news. No real news on today. It's okay. We're waiting for an obvious stock to make itself known. Back to Carve. Well, that one figures out what it wants to do. Carve not looking so good now. It retraced down here to about the halfway mark from this position right. Well, actually, let's see. How? Can I draw a rectangle? So this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the top side of this and the bottom side of this, and I just said, hey, where's the 50% mark? It's like right here between that. T-Cat. Not giving any pullbacks. Just a big trap. Right there. Will it break this level down? 1962 seems to be the bottom of this one. Like to see it hold above that. Does not look like it wants to. 1962, will it break? Should see a nice move through the 62. Ooh, pop off the 62. Back down. Yeah, this is not where you want to be buying. It's kind of struggling. Looks spooky. There it goes. There's a 50 cent drop right there down to the 19. Down to this 15-minute 15-minute on the, or 9 EMA on the 15-minute. T-Cat just has not given any pullbacks. Got out of there a little bit. People taking profit, dropping their shares on others. Nice little giveaway up here. It's a lot of that. Okay. See how far it drops. Woo. Nice little burner right there. See this explosion. So if you bought the top and got snatched down, that would be an 850, possibly to the so a 50-cent drop and then another 25 cents if you were just holding on this candle. All right, so looking at TCAT, it just does not have a good formation, even on the daily chart. Like usually we look for gap ups, but TCAT is not gapping or doing anything. It just kind of moved out today from this bottom and now it's getting killed. So it needs to get back up to the 867, looks like. 850 something. That resistance level. I wonder, does it have room up to the 200 moving average here? Nah, no way. It's all the way. This was the previous level that it broke to do this move up here to the 74s. And now it's back down to this level. Amazing. Carve kept on dipping. Glad I didn't buy the VIXY. This thing kept going up. Got my money taken. YVR popping up there on the scanner. Gotta wait for a pullback. It's getting going though. Might be into a halt right there. YVR. Any news on it? No kind of news, so we'll just wait for it to come out of the halt. Very cheap stock, $2.28. Getting halted there past this last level of resistance at the 221, but that may actually still be resistance. It hasn't tested down yet. But we will see. Go do some research on this one real quick. YVR has a float of 13.46 million. Same at the at Yahoo Finance. YVR. And no shelf registrations. So this may be another technical trade day where things are just no news and they're just getting traded on patterns. $13.46. All right, let's look at that halt time. The halt time on that one was 10:05:24. We'll be looking for a 10:10:24. So only cycled through a third of his float at 4 million, or it's almost to 5 million, a little bit over a third. About 2 minutes left. And I'm gonna take me a restroom break and come back and see if I can take a trade on this one. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, we're opening up on the 10:10:24. And we are about to see what's up with this one. Let's see if it can pull back. How high is it opening up? That's the question. Coming on to the open here. $24. Okay. What does that dip look like? How big is that dip? Woo. I'm gonna wait. Definitely not jumping in here. Definitely gonna wait on this one. How big is that dip gonna be? Okay. Hmm. Very unpredictable. Back under the 25. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. Keep my hands steady on this one. Gotta wait for a better entry here. Hmm. Nice little pop there. Yeah, this pullback is a little wild. Can we start holding up that 25? How many minutes is left on this one? A couple minutes. Ooh, holding up the 25 there. I like it. Back down to it. This one's really jumpy, man. Gave a little pop out. Oof. Very scary stock right there, man. It's just really, really jumpy. It just reached its float once. Or did it? 13.46. It's not yet. This thing's very, very unpredictable right there. It was holding 25, but I decided to wait because of that pop. I don't really like those entries. I usually get hurt in those. This one's still got about a minute left now. It's holding up. It's holding up those 30s. Let's see if we can stay in the 30s. Challenging down again. 30 seconds left on this candle. Big buyer on that dip. I like this one. I like it a lot. Holding up those 30s. Has not given a pullback yet. There's a double top. Even if it goes, it'll just go without me right now. I need a pullback. I can't play these types of games here. Last time what I did, I had accidentally set my order out there and it broke and then snatched me down. I was like, oh well. But this time, just I'm gonna use hotkeys. Because when that order's sitting out there, man, all it takes is a split second for it to get you in and snatch you down. So this is the first pullback on it. If it can close red. That nice double top up there. 220s, 219s. VWAP was at the 218. It just broke the VWAP. Yeah. And aren't I glad that I just thought about it before I pressed that buy button. It's like, now I'm liking it a bit more. Now this showing us that it has a little strength up here above the VWAP. See if it can hold that 218. Got 2 minutes left on this candle. It's looking really nice. I like it. I'll go ahead and I might go ahead and take some shares here. Can we see the 30s? Nope. There was the 30s for a split second. These pops, man. Keep those 25s there on the bid. 27s. 28s. I like this one a lot. Not gonna lie. Even though it has a double top over it, I'm just gonna continue watching. Yeah. Yeah, I like it too much. All right. Entered a little bit there. Enter some more. Can it hold up those 30s? So we got a bottom down here, low of the 213s. Added a little bit more there. Low 213s. Got my stop ready to go. Just looking for this thing to get through those 30s. Let's see who was that just sent me a little love. Let's see if it'll splash down or keep going. Will it get bought up over the 25s? I may get stopped here. I really thought that this one looked good, but maybe not. We'll see. I'm gonna go and check who just sent me some love in just a moment. Right now, I gotta focus on this. Has a bottom down here, 205. Matter of fact, I'm gonna say, hey, just don't break the 2. 199. We'll put it there. Just don't break the 2 and we'll be good. All right, so now we're looking at a new bottom here. It's the bottom low of this one is the 219. We'll definitely be out below that. Nice. Can we keep it going? Wow. Low of this one is a 213. Wow, man. Come on, bro. All right. Yeah, I'm going to set it back at the 199. I still don't think this one's done for the day. As long as it stays over that $2 level, I'm good. Had to move it off of there because I didn't want to get stopped out there. Has a lot of potential to continue up. Looking for it to hold those 25s, 26s, get on the bid. There's a 26s. If it goes down to the $20 or the $2 level, it'll be a 30-cent loss for me. Can we get back over the 30s? Buying pressure almost encapsulating the last sale bar. Can we get it? Can we get that 30 break? Can we get that 30 break? There it is. All right. So we got a little tap on the 30, bottom 212. So now this is definitely our low 220s. That'll be a 20-cent risk here. Let's see. So we got it out ready to go. What was this low? Low to 220. See if it can continue higher. If it just wants to break down, hey, we'll be out. 40s. Looking to be taking profit a little bit up here. Can we break the 50? Can we get that 50 break? A lot of resistance up here. 47s. Taking 25 off at the 50. Very small move. There it is. 25 off right there. Can we get any more? Can we get the 60s there? Pop back down. Will it break down the 50s? Decrease my size here. Not liking this motion. $25 shares left. Did not want to leave everything in there to this one. I will cancel if it shows me red. 25 shares left here. Okay. Real weak. Got out right there. Nice little green trade. I really was looking for it to push up a little bit more, but oh well. We'll take that $40 right there. $40. That was only 19 cents, man. Usually I'm looking for $1 and something, but it just didn't give us to us. It just didn't give it to us today. So I saw weakness up here and I started to decrease my position size because I didn't want to get caught in a dump because it has not pulled back yet. This will be the first pullback above VWAP. You know, if it still goes, it's okay. I just had to go with what I was seeing in the moment. So, hey, no hard feelings. You gave me 40 bucks. Thank you, YVR. Yesterday I made $2 on I ended the day with $2. I just had to leave it alone, man, cuz yesterday was just crazy. I rather just leave it on a green day. So I'm continuing my green streak. As long as I keep this $40 today, I'll be okay. I'll be good. I've been green for quite a while. Don't want to mess that up. Especially not on a $2 stop. Here's the sellers dumping. I just don't like how it got up there and it just kind of paused. It should have just went. If it was going to go and touch the 270, 275, it should have just went. Very close to VWAP as well. Let's see how far this one dips. As a bottom here of the 235. VWAP is at the 222. See if we can get some more plays on it. That's a very bad sign. Trying to go up and just so slow. This top here is the 246. Look at this. Oh, I forgot whoever subscribed. Let me go and check that. Who did that? Who was that? Index app has followed me on Twitch. Thank you so much. I almost forgot to check it. I had just remembered. I heard the dinger. Thank you so much for everybody that's tuning in. Um, I just come in here in the mornings, see if I can make some money, and then go and hustle, do other things. You know. So this one did come down and kind of bounce around VWAP here. Has a bottom here of the 227, so it needs to hold up the 225 really is what it's trying to hold up here. Support. What's up, Daniel B? What's up, One Life? Gonna let this candle close and see if we can take some more profits off of this one. Maybe it'll give it, maybe it won't. I'm gonna let this candle close though. Not interested right now. This one's got about 2 minutes left on this candle. $225 will be my next all out. If I do get in, $225 will be it. If it breaks $225, I gotta get out. This thing's got 42 million shares traded on it. Insanity. Not interested in this move. Little pop down there, like the shorts hit it on the top, looks like. See, this is the 250 that's becoming kind of like a struggle point. Okay, getting through there. Nice. Can it hold the 50s? No size down for scalps. Holding the 50s. Can we hold those 50s? Can we see the 55s? Ugh. Hey, somebody else left some love. Praise the Lord. Roscon 65 or Roscon 65. Appreciate the follow from YouTube. All right, we're looking for this to hold on the 50. There we go. Entering right there for a little pump up. 50 shares. Looking to take profit quickly. Let's see if we can get an explosion upward. Can we get it? Low of this is the 225 was my all out. Waiting, watching. Did size down there. 224. Trying to see if it can get it up. Hold those 50s, touch the 60s. I'll take profit at the 60s. Was this a double top? This high 58.58, kind of. We'll see. See if we can get going. We'll take profit quickly. A little bit at the 60s. Every 10 cents, I'm looking to take a little bit off. And if it looks a little too weak, then I'll go ahead and pop a lot off. Let's see, 50 shares in. Very small move there. That was a 60 very quickly, so I'll go ahead and make this my new bottom. What is the low of this? 247. That's 60. That just wasn't a good move. Needs to hold the 50s again. Will we get buyers there? All out position is the 25 here. Matter of fact, I could use the VWAP as a 32. At the 32. Popping back up over the 50s there. Can we hold those 50s? Is the question. Not seeing it. All right, I'm gonna use VWAP to get out. 32. 30s. Break of the 30s I have to get out. Because it shouldn't be breaking that down. So that'll be a 20-cent risk almost on these 50 shares. I don't know how much that equals out to. Let me see. 50 times 20 cents is how much? 50 times 20 cents. That risk will be $10 on this move down if it can't continue upward. It needs to get back over the 50s. I don't see it happening yet though. Can we see the 44s on the bid? See the 44s coming through on the tape. Don't see it on the bid yet. 44 right there. Okay, getting a little pop there. This one looks like it's going to be a grinder. Back up to the 50s, holding the 50s there. So we're solidifying a new bottom here. The 242 is going to probably become my new out. 242. There it goes. 242 is the new out. Or 240s. Break of the 240s. All right. So we're just watching. So this risk is 10 cents on 50 shares. If it can't hold up here, I just go ahead and get out here. That'll be $5. Looking for it to get bought up through the 60s. Risking $5 here. Can we get over the 50s? 51s, 52s, nice. This will be our new bottom low of the 248 if it can push over the top. Can we get a push here? Or will it fail? Looking like it wants to fail. $5, I'm okay with that on the day. Can we get pushed back over the 50s? This is definitely the new low. New low of the 244, 243. Let's see if it can push up just a little bit. If it fails again, can it push? Nice. All right, 243 is a new low. So we're risking, what, 3 cents on 50 shares. If it goes red again, we'll be out. It needs to get the push here. So 43 cents, risking about, what, I forgot. Whatever it is, like 10 cents. If it breaks, I'm out. Either it's going to stay over the 50 or it's going to stop me here. Not seeing it, looking like it's going to stop me out here. I'm okay with that. Back up to the 50s again. What is it planning on doing? Okay, coming down to stop me out. And I'm out there. Small loss right there on those 50 shares. Size down for that. 13-cent loss on 50 shares. So that's what is that? 50 times 13, $6.50, which leaves me at a balance of 30 bucks now. Did somebody else subscribe? Let's see. Roscon, okay. Thought it could give a nice little push there, but I let it go. It broke the bottom of this previous red candle, so letting it kind of consolidate in here. Looking for more entries. I'm not done with it yet. Ooh, I like it again. Can we hold those 50s? I'll use a 34 to get out. This one's got almost 30 seconds left on this candle. Let it close up. Really iffy moves here. Like, does it want to go up? 49s. 15 seconds left. Not rushing it, taking my time. All right. See how far it wants to move down here. Needs to stay above the 225 though. That's pretty much my untradable territory. Okay, so it is holding up above the VWAP here. I do like that. But on the 15-minute, we still have a nice 15-minute descending candle. The top side of this is the 248, 250 level. Low here was the low of the 237. I think I'm just going to play above VWAP right here. 237s on that last one. So that'll be my all out, 237. See if it can hold that up. On the volume down here, we see a ramping down in selling volume. So we'll see if this will stay above this level of the 37. Hold up that 40. Can we start holding that 40? You see the 40s, 41s form. This one's got almost 3 minutes left. Buyers coming in at the 38, or, well, I say buyers, it could be a seller. Okay, there it is holding the 40s. I like it. I like that. Couple seconds left. 48. 2 minutes left on this candle. It's trying to hold the 40s, breaking down the 40s right there, or tapping. Holding those 40s again. All right. Can it hold above the 40s? Got 1 minute left. Breaking down the 40s. Breaking down the tapping on the 35s. Not interested right now. Big move through the 31s. Will we get a buy up, or will it go ahead and go down? $226. Got a little double touch right there, double bottom. Now it has completely messed up my setup, so no more trades on this one until it sets back up for me. Oh well. Yeah, Daniel B, it's just trash, man. Trash, trash, trash. You know, I did take $30 off of this one, but other than that, it's just all garbage. No news, nothing good, man. But I did size down on the last entry. The first entry I took 300 shares. The last entry I took 50 because I kind of figured it was gonna get weak up here, and I was willing to lose about 10 cents. So that was a $6 move down. So I was like, okay, whatever. It's trash anyway. If it would have went, it would have been nice. On the daily chart here, it is back under the resistance here. Struggling to keep that resistance up. Let's go check on the other things I was watching this morning. Carve, still trash. T-Cat popped up, still trash. DTSS was another one I was watching, still trash. I think somebody had called that MINM. Ooh, that thing's got the box formation. WHLM, trash. VRPX, extra trash. Let's see, VERB. Trash. I don't know. Nothing else is looking like I want to mess with it. Yeah, this is a weird day, man. Weird day to be trading in the market. But I am green this whole week, so that's good. Okay, so this one was a bottom 212. Support. Let's see if it goes past this 212 level. It's a big descending candle on the 15-minute though. Not looking too good. A lot of work to do to get back up, if it's going to get back up. But has 66 million shares traded on it. I'm gonna wait. We can start moving up again. That'll be great. Yeah, it's not looking too good, man. Everything, the SPY, everything just acting weird. Look at these drops on the SPY. Just amazing drops. Let me go check the VIX. Yeah, XY. Did you go up for a little bit? It did the same. Well, it did the opposite. Came up, came up. But it's just not enough movement for me to waste my money on. I'm ready to see the SPY collapse. Holding up that 220 level there. Let's see. In this candle, 891,000 shares still getting traded on this thing. So still getting some mighty good trading here. You've been up from the 4 a.m. to look for trades, and all I find is a bro. I was up, yeah. I went up at 4 a.m. I got up an hour after the market opened just to look around as well. I mean, DTSS trash. I mean, everything. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna wait till the open, take my time, take a trade, make some money, and try to stay green on the day. That's it. It's my whole plan for today. Just stay green. On the 15-minute, the 9 EMA is at the about the $2 area. See if it can get going back up. TCAT back up there as well. See if it's making any better moves. Okay, it's got to pull back. I'm not trading that. Not gonna waste my money there. It's already gone. It's got to pull back. Has a resistance level there at the 850. It's gonna probably have to get over there and start to hold the 850. But it looks like it's gonna be facing some problems up there. But it is looking better than YVR, so we'll watch TCAT. Maybe it'll go into a halt and start opening up higher. I don't know. Looking like it's facing some major resistance at that 850 level. Getting absolutely shut down. Looking for the pullback here on TCAT. Okay, breaking the highs a little bit. Nice, nice. Not in any rush to buy it yet, though. I want to get sold too. Yeah, the Red Bull, Starbucks, and the extra coffee made at home. But I feel tired like a dog. Yeah, I mean, sometimes it's like that, man. You gotta go to sleep earlier. Or clear your mind completely. But you can't do that. You're too smart. You gotta enter dumb mode. This one's just grinding higher. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. I'm not even gonna try this one. TCAT, what was the volume or what was the news on TCAT? TCAT. TCAT has a float of 6.42 million. What? 9.43 million on Yahoo Finance. No shelf registration. So 7 to 9 million, I guess you can say. I, dang B, you can't be talking like that, man. Oh my gosh, this man is morbid, morbid. All right, let's see. Let's see. Where will the pullback come on TCAT? Very volatile. Catching up with the YVR in the volume department. YVR getting back up there as well. It's not set up yet though. Waiting to see TCAT either get destroyed or give us a nice opportunity to enter. Corey's. Oh, looks like it's going to face a little bit of problems. Let's continue to look over here. TCAT finally giving a pullback. Yeah, YVR struggling. TCAT's gonna be the number one. I don't know. One Life was in here earlier. He probably went to go and eat or something after looking at the market conditions. All right, let's see how far this thing dips down, man. Yeah, that too. Oh, TCAT, TCAT. Will you be able to hold up this resistance here of the 850 or support? I mean, a bit of support right through there. See what kind of action it gets. Say something wise. It's better to not trade than I don't know. Something wise. Let's see. We don't have a subject going. Like it's hard to just impart wisdom without a subject. It's almost like me walking into a random class in school and saying, "Hey guys, did you know that there is very dark brown grasshoppers, they're gonna be like, what? Especially if you walk into somewhere like I don't know, could be a math class, could be a history class, whatever. I mean, it just doesn't make sense. Has to be a subject going for wisdom to be imparted, departed. I don't know. Oh, there's one life. See how far this thing pulls back. We had a little bit of a support level right there at the 850, which needs to be changed to a green. All right. See where this one closes. It's got about 30 seconds left on this candle. Okay. What decisions does it want to make? What are the people feeling? Oh, people are not liking what it's trying to do. See if it can hold above the 850s. Ooh, getting down there. A little bit of resistance there at the 850. This candle just opened up, so got a little bit of time on it. Big top and tail on the 15-minute does not look good. Bouncing off that 850. And trying to hold up the 850 there. Got a lot of time ahead of it. $850 holding. We'll let this candle close to see if that 850 level will hold. Going below, we're seeing the 40s here. Not holding up that 850 very well. 3 minutes left on this candle, popping back above the 850. Okay. What's the top side of this? The top side here is the 861. I like this one. 850. Can we get the 860? There it is. Okay. Looking nice. Looking real nice there. Some buyers coming in there. Can we hold up that 50 level? $62s. Okay, I like it. Back under the 60s, really? Come on now. You know better than that. What in the world's happening with YVR? This one's got a top of 262. Resistance. All right, so this one is actually looking better than TCAT. Oh, a lot better. All right, let's focus in on YVR then. All right, this one's got 15 seconds left on this candle. $243 right there. I may try with small share size here if it can show us I would say show us green, but man, this thing is moving so little. Will we break the 45s here? I see a bunch of red coming through there. Yep, broke the 45s. We'll just wait. Can we get back over the 47s? 47s. Hey, there we go. Entered a little bit there. I like it. I'll be out at VWAP. 235 for 100 shares. Entered a little bit more there. Nice. Looking for the push out. Can we get that push? Come on, baby. The bottom of this candle is the low of the 243. Taking some profit up there. 243 is our all out. Taking some more profit down here. Not liking the way that it's moving off of that edge. Can we get the 60s back up there? 60s. I don't like that movement. We need to go ahead and push if we're going to push. See, taking at the 60s again. Falling. Taking all. Don't like it. I'm okay with that. Shouldn't have rejected like that. I was looking for another push. All right, I'll play small ball now. It's not able to give me the push through that high. Can we get the 61 on the bid? Entered a little bit there just for a quick take over the top. 100 shares. 243 does not need to come down to the 247. 247, I'll be out. About time. Lordy, lordy. 247s. We're going to let it work for us. Don't want to see it come down too much. Can we get over those 70s? Looking for the 65s. Uh-oh. Where are we going now? Look like we're going down. May stop me here. $7 loss here. Or a $10 loss. From the 60 to the 47. Something like that. We'll see if it wants to continue. If not, I'll go ahead and get out. This is for 100 shares right here. I look to decrease my size. Let's see if we can get back over this high of the 258 here. That's really where it needs to push. Can we get back over the 55s? Nope. Gonna stop me here. Just waiting. Want to see the 60s back up there. 58s. Looking to decrease my size here as well through the top. The top of this one was the high of the 267. So yeah, I will be looking to get on down in a minute. If it can't get into the 60s, I'm gonna get on out. The bottom of this candle is the low of the 51, 49. So a break of the 49 would be my out spot. Can we get bought up through the 55s? Nope. I don't even want to cancel this right now. Got me out right there. I'm okay with that. It was a nice little loss on 100 shares. 15 bucks. Okay. Man, these stocks are choppy, bro. Yeah, it was a little bit high on that purchase. Yeah, very, very risky. It just looked, man, it looks so good up there. Oh, it looks so good. I couldn't resist, but it's all good. Can't believe it didn't go, man. I was looking for that thing to pay a little bit. But I did size down on that one just in case, so I didn't get killed taking 300 shares. So it definitely doesn't look too good anymore, though. I wonder, can it break that high today? Can it break out of this 267? We'll see how this candle closes, and it'll be the new low. Shorts trying to come in. But it looks like the new low closing up this range a little bit. Can it work within this range here? Yeah, it's very hard to trade these stocks. They're definitely not the best. What I have, 20 bucks now? Yep, 25 bucks. Oh well. Still pretty green on the day. I lost a little bit, but I'm okay. Yeah, no easy money today, man. Got this little range, 215 up to the 260s, 215 up to the 260s. Where will it be going? Will it continue to work its way up, or is it over? What happened to TCAT? Oh, it's still getting buried. That's what's happening. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade YVR anymore anyway. Just not, just lost all of its kind of movement here. Because this is just a 60-cent move. Usually I'm looking for a lot more than the 60 cents, which is why I sized up. Because what's the point? 60 cents is okay. $2.35, $2.36. Where will be the new low on the 15-minute? All right, let's go and look at what the SPY actually ended up doing. Yeah. All right. Let's see what it wants to do now. On the 15-minute, looks like it has a top side of 248. And has an overall bottom right at that 219 level. $248. Can it get up there and touch the 248 and kind of test it? See what the attitude is at 248. All right, there's the Dow Jones right there. I moved that up to the title bar right there. Right now it's up a little bit, DIA. Can we form a higher low here before that 220 break, which is the looks like the 9 EMA here. A lot of consolidation at this level. So I'm just going to say this is the new low at the 233 will be the all out point if I take any entries in this range. 233 right there. Let's see what it wants to do in here. Looking for at least one pullback here before any kind of entries. Let's see the attitude at the 48. 48 getting touched. Not that much rejection off the 48. 3 cents of rejection. 48 getting touched again. Okay. Two, three, 7. VERB. I was looking at that one. I think MSEC had traded that one. Ooh. Okay. Yep. I'll wait on this one though. Let's see if it can pull back above that 234. TCAT. Trash. Four minutes left on this one. Hmm. Needs to hold above that 38. About a minute left on this candle. Will it go red? Ooh, going red. This may be a bad sign here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. A little bit of buying pressure coming in there. We'll see how this one closes up. Has has a lot of downward potential though. All right, I'm starting to kind of like this one, man. I'm gearing up for this one, man. I think it can go higher. I really do. Let's see how this candle closes. 10 seconds left on this candle. Low was the 236. Open really, really low. Will it crack the 40? 39, the 38 is VWAP. Going down there, punching it. Can we get more through the 38? There it goes. There it goes. Very tight, man. That was a very tight range stop. Can it hold up this 236, 232? Looking for the flip over. Not holding up. I think the crash is coming. A 104 million shares traded on this stock, and it's moving like this. This thing should be moving way more aggressively. But it is a low price stock with no news, so what can it do? $37. There it goes, dipping on through. Mr. Sleepy Time. 213 was it came up here and formed this low of the 213. Has the highs up there, and I don't think it'll be back up there today. Not with this kind of motion. Nope, nope, nope. All right, let's go and look at what was it, TCAT? TCAT, still trash. VERB was the one that you said could go. Speaking of the devil, how far is it gonna go? It popped out, let's see, 29, what, 10 cents? Ugh. Yeah, I don't like that stock the way it's moving. Can this thing get back over the 38s? New 15-minute candle opening. Will it break the 225? Mm, hold that 225. Start getting back up and testing that 38. Okay. Looks like it wants to go down and break the 20s. Breaking on down. Destroying my supports. Sad, sad day, man. So dry today. It's like a desert. I'm surprised I'm green on the day. Very surprised. T-Cat, what you want to do this time, buddy? What do you want to do this time? Boom. T-Cat. Have to wait for that one. Form a new low here on YVR. T-Cat back up to that level that it fell before. Actually, this can be turned to red because it is definitely holding it. Okay, so right across there. Like buyers are going to go ahead and buy it up through that level. Will it hold above this level of the 49? Needs to do a pullback as well. This one's still struggling, so we'll watch TCAT for now since it looks the best. Today is a short party. Actually, it's not even a short party. I think the shorts will be getting pretty misused on this stuff as well because it's so choppy. I think from both sides, it's a tough trading day. So it did come up here. Let's see. The high of this one's 54, 55. Waiting for the pullback. This candle closes in 15 seconds. YVR going down there. Almost breaking that 25 level that we did not need it to break. But it looks like it's going to go ahead and do its thing. Whatever. See if this one can hold up VWAP. VWAP is at the 824 right now, 825. Okay. Getting a little bounce there. All right. Let's try. 855s. And I can get out at the 25 here if I need to. If need be. 39s working their way up there. I like it. I'm going to go ahead and play small here. Small ball, 50 shares. Looking for that move up. The bottom of this is the low of the 828. Can we break out? Oh, no. Come on, bro. Bottom low is 828. Had to get out there. 50 shares. Order is out there. If it wants to break down, there was a double top, so can we get those 45s up there? $46s, 45s, not seeing any of that on the bid. We need to see 45s appear here. They're not coming. This is at the 27. Ready to make a quick exit on the slam down here. $39s. Can we get the 45s up there? 41s. Nice. Took a little bit more right there. I mean, I put in some more. Looking for the continuation here. The bottom is the low of the 28, 828. 75 shares in there. Can we get the 45s up there? It's holding the 41. 43s, 45s, very quickly. Just not seeing it. Not seeing it here. needs to break the 45s right now. Right now. See the 50s on the bid? Getting slammed. Shorts trying to fight this one off. Be ready to take quick profits. Oh, come on, bro. Don't know what this one wants to do. Back and forth. Above the 40, under the 40. What do we want to do here? Will the buyers come in, help me out a little bit, or no? 44 is on the bid. Can we push? Wow, there's a push down. Can we get this push, or will you destroy us? All right, looking like destruction coming. Yep. Stop me out right there. Oh, I was looking for that thing to get out of there. Oh well. YVR, what you got for me? YVR failing as well. TCAT, man. Oh my goodness, bro. Ah, waiting for the break of that shoulder. That shoulder was strong. Just didn't want to give it to me. Can we get back over the 844s? We bought up there. Can we see the 40s back up there? Crashing the 30s, moving away from my target, so don't really like it anymore. VEBR, VERB. Looks like it's about to take a dump. About to take a dump there. I really don't like stocks like that. Really don't. TCAT down. I wanted to break through this level of this double top. 850s. That's what I'm waiting on. In a good setup. Just needs to go. Also needs to hold up the 825s. Can we see the 830s? 32s. Push below quickly. Can it get bought back up above the 30s? Oh boy, come on, bro. Is VER, is that really moving that much? It is, isn't it? 30 up to the 50s. Yeah, it is. Nice, nice, nice. But I don't like this setup at all. I'm sorry. I can't do that. Okay, that one's going on down. Anything else here to trade today? Verb still playing around up here. I'm sure you in One Life don't got in like where down here 318. Where'd y'all get in? Think that's into a halt right there. EBR. Oh, no halt. It's no buying area for me, so can't really touch it. $8.55s. Not that volatile. Also, there we go. So we got the 850 break here coming up. Low of the 817 for out. 814. What does TCAT want to do? Can we get into the 30s? 30s right there. Can we hold the 30s? See a lot of snapping there. Can we get above the 30s? Nope. YBR. Cracking on down. Can we hold those 30s? Take a little bit there. I'll be out at the bottom of this low 818. 817. 50 shares in. See if it can go ahead and push. 50 shares in. Can it break that top? There we go. Nice, nice. Breaking the top here. Can we break it? We got up there. Bottom of the candle is my exit. Getting hit by more shorts. $49s. Can we break that 850? $850, man, is a struggle point. What's the low of this? Is the 840. 840. It's not coming in there for it. Looking for this pop through. There we go. 850s. 50. Can we get that pop? Not really. All right, the bottom of this candle is the low of the 840. Looking real weak around there. 833 was my break even spot. Thought it would get a pop, but it's just not breaking that 50 and staying above it. So I don't really like it. Okay, so yeah, break even. I'm gonna go ahead and jump out of this one. It's just playing around a little bit too much for me. 34. Put it at break even. If it comes down, I'll just be out break even. Can't really play with it anymore. Can it go green? Got out right there. Break even. Man, T-Cat. All right. Well, I'm done risking money for today. I'm just gonna walk away with this small green again today. Nothing really moving today. I'm just going to, you know, go lick my wounds. What wounds I do have. Let's look at this. Actually, wait. Let's look at this real quick. My realized gains and losses. So I did take a nice small win in comparison to what I usually get on these small caps. 19 cents in the profit. I kept these losses under 20 cents as well. But yeah, ended green. Just, man, so hard fighting for profit today. Look at this thing. It's about to go. Look at this, man. Make me have to trade again. What are you doing? All right, let's see if we can do one more entry to try to get this pop through here. This always happens. I get ready to go off live and then it goes. Let's see if it can hold up the 40s real quick. It's about to shut it down, but looks like things may get interesting right here. They can hold the 40s. There we go, 40s. Can we get the 41? Looking for the 41s. $39s. Can we get those 41s, please? Okay. Will this one give us red below the 40? Will it hold? Don't like that move. Will it continue red here? Do I really want to risk this today? Can I just walk away green? Can I just walk away green? Take my hand off. All right. All right, I'm shutting it down. I'm shutting it down. I am shutting it down for real this time. All right, I am done. I'm about to turn my Street Smart Edge off so I can't even see it. You guys, we will be back tomorrow morning. I think, what is today? Is it Thursday? Yes, it is Thursday. Yeah, we'll be back tomorrow morning on Friday. Last Friday was super slow, and the way that it's looking today, it may happen again, but it's all good. We'll be back tomorrow morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. If you're already subscribed, I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you're on Twitch, same. You can follow. Appreciate you guys as well. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.